You searched how to buy shares of Cingulate Inc. Cingulate Inc. is a neuroscience-focused medical technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CING. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. To buy a stock, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CING to find the company listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing for the correct Cingulate Inc. share. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the right stock. Check that the exchange is NASDAQ and the ticker code reads CING. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details such as order type before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio with transaction details and current holdings. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to try the platform, and remember, this content is educational, not investment advice.